want to try like a mole, like mole 7?
Ooh, damn. Maybe too Mexican. How about some tacos? All right, we got a ride with the boys. Today is a farewell ride, Eric's.
I'm gonna miss you guys, dude.
Last Blade ride, so let's rip it up and get some lunch. Alright, we got Connor out here from Taqueria Los Ruiz on the Rampage. He's ripping it up. First time on the Rampage, he's ripping it. Oh, that was so good. Let's go. You've been doing this before on other boards, haven't you?
No, I just skate and surf.
No way. That's insane. Skaters, surfers, it's as easy as that. His first time on an electric skateboard, ripping it. Faster than me, that was wild. What's up, I'm Rob.
What's up, Rob? How are you?
What's your name?
Rafael.
Rafael, pleasure to meet you.
Oh, thank you.
Are you gonna teach us how to cook today?
Of course, everybody.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
We got the whole crew here. Taqueria Los Ruiz. Honor. Thanks for setting this up, brother. Can't wait to have these tacos.
You want to try like a mole, like mole 7?
Ooh, damn. Maybe too Mexican. How about some tacos?
What do you want to do, buddy? Not tequila.
Now you're talking my language.
Oh my god. That is so good. I'm such a good cook. Taqueria Los Ruiz, you guys gotta come here. Brother?
Yeah, man.
Great shit today.
Yeah, man.
Awesome meeting you, brother.
You too, dude.
FLX Miles. We should just rename this. Name it the Babymaker.
So full, but I can still bike home because I got the e-bike. Back at the shop. Max, how was it?
So much fun. I'm so full from all that food, but luckily got the juice to get us back here without any effort at all. For real.
I'm sold on the Blade. This thing has a lot of kick to it, so.
Hell yeah. How fast did you get it?
I think I pushed it past 32.
Good time. Almost got hit by a car, but all in a day's work.
Eric, how was it, brother?
Went a little bit rougher for me, guys. Just kidding. That was not today. Best way to leave this crew. Had an absolutely killer time. Got to whip up some tacos. Now I know how to make real Mexican food, and we'll be seeing you guys soon.
It's been a wild ride, dude. I miss you.
As well, bro. Family.
Bring it in, fam.
Let's do a 1, 2, 3 FLX.
Let's do
What are we doing? So many random movements.
1, 2, 3, FLX! Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Give it a whirl. You gotta be clean.
That's step number 1.
This more high.
Now we're gonna do the tortilla.
Yeah, good. And big tortilla. I crushed it too hard, didn't I? Sorry, guys. Hey. Beautiful.
Look at that.
Oh man. It smells so good.
Like this? Right. Yeah. Right on top of that. Now it's gonna be cooked on the other side. Yeah.
Yes.
Open it. I go.
Woo.
There you go. Okay. You like hot?
Yeah.
There you go. Really?
That's the molita, baby.
Yeah.
So good.